What hat do you want, Tommy?
Thank you.
Oh, that seems good. Okay.
I'm not sure we need
Yeah, look okay.
Oh, yeah. We are, how do you say, so styling.
What's new this morning? Month, maybe.
Long time. Hi, Jay.
Hey, Jay, this is Tyrone. Hi. My fourth autism assisted dog guide. She was trained to be a service dog in Oakville.
Oh, okay. She
Yeah,
friendly?
he.
Oh,
He. Yeah. Bernie.
Like we did.
Bernie, kicking the grass. Hey, how are you? That's Tom. Tommy, that's Tom Feltmate.
Mom as well, Tom.
Just
Yeah.
busy up at the cottage lawn?
A little bit. We had
Hi, Tom.
Cynthia and Charles came.
Oh, okay.
Feltmate.
Feltmate.
Yeah.
We're doing pretty good, I assume.
Yes, they brought their sailboat, which was, but they were sailing in
This
Kingston.
is dog guide.
You didn't.
My fourth autism.
Oh, that's
dog
crazy.
is my fourth autism.
Tyrone. Wow, great
Yeah, he thinks he'll be out there on Monday.
Adele's a,
Yeah.
Adele.
Yes.
She's
She's your third.
she's a dog pack elder.
Yeah, Adele's the dog pack elder now.
Yeah.
Been mostly walking,
That's good.
hiking.
Tyrone is going very well. We just got home with him Thursday.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah, he's brand new.
Team Tyrone has really
Team
done well. I'll tell you that.
How old is Tyrone exactly? Now?
Tyrone is going to be 2 on November, what, Tommy? When's his birthday?
November 12th, 2019.
Yeah, he's going to be 2. He's just 1 and almost 2.
Okay.
Oh, this looks like a good turnout. Bernie's like, whatever.
Jay, look at Adele. She's a dog pack elder.
Yep, she is. She's getting up there, Tom.
Yeah. Here we are. We're going to register.
And all your donations are online? Or,
Yeah, they're all online. Okay, that's awesome.
Dogs here.
Yes, a team of dogs working around the clock. It's true. Walk City, Ottawa.
So these are for you. That's for the Buddha bag. That's the door
nice.
prize. And this is to guess how many treats there are
Oh,
in the jar at the table
Okay.
over there. And this is a
Really great shape right now.
okay, thanks.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys.
your other dog.
No, he's 10 years old.
Oh, that's him?
That's a jelly.
No, that's not him. He's a her.
It's a her. Hi, Andy.
Hi, how are you?
We're good. How are you?
This is other dog?
So she's retired now, and Tyrone is brand new.
And then
Just
quite a bit
got
of like,
home.
you know, the,
My mom has Bernie. See? That's Bernie. Not a working dog.
hey Lizzie.
Missy.
I told you when we were at the school I'd see you this weekend.
Yeah, what's your first name?
Missy.
Adele, Missy. What's that? Missy?
And you saw
Oh,
actually,
Jello.
so remember Cinder from class?
Cinder. And Chelsea had Cinder. Do you remember Chelsea and
Remember
Cinder?
Chelsea and Cinder?
Yeah.
So you met Cinder last year this weekend.
Yeah, I remember.
You do?
I do. So Missy is a puppy raiser,
Yeah, so
Tom.
I have the
Dad?
little ones.
Yeah.
I've seen Tyrone since Tyrone was probably about that big.
That's Bernie.
Can you imagine Tyrone being that little?
Tyrone is so funny. We love him.
And how was the drive home?
Uneventful.
Good. Yeah, uneventful is perfect.
No, he's been perfect.
The 401 for hours and hours.
Yep. We took the 407 just to get out of there.
Yeah, and he
How did your drive home go?
Oh, mine was easy that night.
Oh, that's good. Do you remember Missy was at the Oakville Training Center? She came to visit Cinder.
To visit on Sunday.
Here, Peter, here's your map.
Oh, well,
I'm giving it to
yes,
you, though.
what's that thing?
Get it out of my hand.
Westgate.
Westgate.
I'm a 27-year-old man. What about you?
I am a 43-year-old girl.
43-year-old girl?
Yeah.
But
No, that's too
She hasn't grown up yet.
commitment to me.
not anymore. You're a woman now.
I guess. But I can be in more trouble if I'm a girl.
A girl?
A woman.
I think I got it.
Tommy has a thing right now where you can't say you're a boy if you're a man, and you can't say you're a girl if you're a woman. But we say, girls' night out, and we say, boys' night out, boys' weekend, but Tommy has decided that's not allowed right now. It's a phase.
Well,
Yeah. And this is Tommy's friend Jay.
Hi.
Jay is an autistic runner in Ottawa too, and that's Missy. Missy has raised 38 puppies.
Wow, that's
So if
crazy.
you want to say hi to Jello, you're more than welcome to.
Is she friendly?
Absolutely.
Oh, she's like a Dell.
She's lovely.
Yes.
Hey, where'd you get the nice scarf? We were looking for a scarf.
Oh, they came with your gift bag.
Oh my God, that's so cool.
Yeah.
So Tyrone, as you know, is a bit of a drooler.
Yes.
Went really well.
You never
Went really
never
well.
know how it's gonna.
Yeah. Yes. And Chelsea says to say hi. Cinder is way off in Edmonton now. It's hard to imagine she's filming.
Well, I said that, like, for a dog that spent a lot of time on transit, she's never flown.
So when's Tyrone's birthday?
That's true, eh? Tyrone had flown.
We know we're 12.
Tyrone's puppy raiser had taken him on a trip. As long as you have a mutual friend.
This is Jello.
Do you remember in February when she was having her surgery?
Oh yeah, we were.
And it was a snow
it was a
day.
snowstorm.
So we almost met Jello.
You almost
when
met Jello
she
as a
was-
little tiny puppy.
So how old is Jello now?
11 months. She'll
Wow.
be just before Halloween. She turns the year. So,
Wow.
and it's the joke is over the summer they recall very few dogs because they don't do classes. Well, you guys just finished. Another group is already in.
Yes.
There's a seizure and a vision class in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know why
actually-
people want dogs that have seizures.
Well, what about the
For that
dogs
matter,
what
or
about the
blind
dogs with
dogs. Like, what the hell?
diabetes? Yeah. We had a blind dog already.
So they
Yeah,
like
they're
from
not
now
very
to December is just class.
Yeah.
So it's also
Work.
recall. So everyone has been like, yeah, my dog. Yeah,
So when
there's
does
a
he go
whole bunch of emails went out Friday, and then everyone else is like, I'm not checking my email this weekend. I'm like, well, it doesn't change when the dog's going in. So Jello,
Tyrone.
Anytime.
So Jello's ready.
anytime, probably, usually after the year. So usually after, probably
Right,
after
it's-
Halloween.
Are you taking another puppy soon?
Oh yeah.
I figured.
So my deal right now is I've offered to take an older one if they want.
Take ones where the puppy raiser's having trouble. So you're like the correction person.
I've done that.
This is a new. We're just trying a new. The
I was joking that one of the trainers is coming up to Ottawa in mid-October. I'm like, so you could deliver
She has to
a
wear that.
puppy?
Yeah, well, it's just,
Yeah, it would be. Well, Sarah's got to come see Tyrone.
Yeah. So I'm just joking that there's a lot. Well, and like they're coming up to see Angela for her assessment for her new dog and
Yeah, so
stuff.
Angel's Candy is retiring too.
Yeah, so I was, they're coming up to do her assessment, so I'm like, you can just deliver a dog when you come up, so I don't have to drive.
Yeah.
But I know I'm down first week of November, so, yeah, it's funny, there's like a puppy, we joke that the dogs all coordinate and text each other that they want to have puppies at the same time. Right now there is one litter in.
Okay.
There's not another litter to be born for about 2 weeks.
Okay.
Then there are 7.
Boodle bag.
Oh, how many treats? How many
Oh,
treats?
Tommy has to guess. Tommy, how many treats do you think there are? We gotta put a number and guess.
just one treat.
Yeah, we'll
Just one.
get
But,
those
but do you think there's 100 in there, or 50, or 200, or 183? That sounds really good.
That's a smart.
Yeah. Oh, one layer. That's fancy.
I just like.
We're going more just how you say random.
Look.
Oh, it's windy.
Little guy in red swimming trunks. Okay.
Oh my God, he's got orange actually, but there's a Mowgli dressed guy.
Adele.
Yeah, so the boodle bag.
We have the same name.
Making me appearances.
Aw, that's
Okay.
cool.
Okay.
Tommy, there's your bag. You want to look in it?
Hey,
Oh, there's some treats.
hey, mom.
Oh, that's
Dad,
nice.
Hey.
Come on.
Yeah.
Potato duck. That's
Look.
little guy, I know, in a red thing.
I don't know what these coupons for.
What's the coupon for?
Hey,
oh,
Mom.
I don't
you put it over there.
Hey, mom, dad.
Yeah, are you seeing a kid wearing Mowgli shorts?
Mowgli shorts. Just like this character.
It's an emergency. There's a guy wearing more Mowgli shorts. I don't know where he went. Okay. That's very, very clever to spot all the Mowgli kids.
Mowgli kids, indeed.
Mowgli from the Jungle Book. Tommy has an obsession with the Jungle Book. So when he sees a kid wearing something that looks red, like Mowgli,
Try those. Try that scarf.
yeah,
Okay, there you go.
he gets super excited about that.
All right, let's get. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Andy Etherington, and I'm the chair of the 9th annual
That's a
Ottawa
nice
Lions Walk for Dog Guides. Pet value walk for dog guides. We have to remember to include Pet Value, very great sponsor who not only sponsors the walk, but they supply our dog guide program with food for all the puppies
He can wear the
and
scarf.
the
That's
dogs
so
that are in
nice.
training.
Tyrone needs extras.
And they do an absolutely fantastic job. So big thank you to Pet Value.
Bonjour tout le monde, merci beaucoup pour avoir venu encore. Cette année, c'est la 8e marche qu'on a. Et puis, on veut commencer notre marche aussitôt que possible parce qu'apparemment, il est supposé pleuvoir. Notre commanditaire national, c'est Pet Value, donc c'est très important pour nous pour reconnaître Pet Value, puis la façon qu'il soutient la Fondation des Lions Chiens Guides. C'est Pet Value qui vont nourrir tous les chiens à la Fondation à Oakville, donc on les remercie beaucoup pour leur contribution. Puis pour moi, je dois dire merci beaucoup pour les clubs Lions qui font cet événement ici possible à chaque année. Merci beaucoup. Off to you, Andy.
Did I say all that?
No, you just talked after.
Oh, okay. So, you know, you can't put on one of these walks without the assistance of a number of our Lions Club in the Ottawa area. So we like to take a few moments to acknowledge those clubs, such as the Cumberland Lions Club, the Gloucester Lions Club, Gloucester North Lions Club, Canada Hazeldean Lions Club, Manotick, Morrisburg Lions Club, who put up these tents for us, thank you very much, Navan, Orleans Lions, Russell Lions, and Stittsville Lions. And all those clubs have contributed in one way or another so that we can put on this walk, and I want to thank them very much.
On va reprendre ce moment ici pour remercier les clubs Lions qui sont impliqués avec la marche. Les clubs Lions suivants, merci beaucoup pour votre contribution. The Cumberland Lions Club, Gloucester, Gloucester North, Canada Hazeldean, Manotick, Morrisburg, Navan, Orléans, Russell et Stittsville. Tous ces clubs ici ont travaillé pour plusieurs années de fil pour rendre cette marche ici possible. Merci beaucoup, beaucoup, beaucoup.
We also want to thank one of our sponsors. I always get competition with them. Five Guys hamburger joints. I don't know if any of you have been to any of them, but they were very good this year and last year. Two of their stores had specials on where for every hamburger, every poutine, and every milkshake that is sold, they donated $1 to our cause. And that was done on a Thursday night about a week ago or two. And out of that process, we got an extra $300. So it was really, really good. A big thank you to Saunders Farms, who have been a big supporter of the walk from day one and brings in a fair amount of money to our walk. So we thank him very much for doing that.
On a un de nos supporters ici qui a vraiment aidé avec ce levée de fonds ici, Peter. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much, Peter, for your continuous contribution towards this walk. Merci beaucoup, Peter, pour ta contribution à cette marche ici à tous les années.
Hi, Brian. Hi.
So some of the other sponsors we want to mention is the Stittsville Small Animal Hospital, Becker Pet Care, Monsieur Independent Groceries, and Pet Value stores throughout the Ottawa area.
Nos autres commanditaires qu'on veut remercier, c'est Stittsville Small Animal Clinic, Becker's Pet Care, Mention Independent, puis Pet Value aussi. Donc, merci beaucoup pour votre contribution.
And also Barking Barista Coffee Roasters, New Edinburgh Community Alliance, Manotick, I mentioned Manotick Pet Value and the March Road Pet Value also help us out.
Les autres commanditaires, c'est Barking Barista, Coffee Roasters, New Edinburgh Community Alliance, Manatee Pet Value, puis March Road Pet Value. Merci beaucoup.
It's always great to have some of our clients here with their dogs, and we have a vision dog and a hearing dog who's retiring very shortly. A diabetes awareness dog, and that's one we're very excited about. I really like the diabetes awareness dog because of how it's helped so many people. An autism service dog, and it's a new match for Tommy and his dog, and they looks like both of them are getting along quite well. And we also have a puppy here, although you don't see any puppies because she's just about a year old. Jello is just about a year old, so he's going to be going to the foundation to get trained to be a service dog of some kind. We don't know which type of a dog, service dog he's going to be, but very shortly he will be going to be a service dog to someone from Canada. And I just want to take a note to Missy, who is the trainer of the puppy dog, because that is her 38th puppy that she has. And we're glad that she's come on board and being part of our committee. One of the things is that the foundation likes to keep the puppies close by in Oakville because of in case there's any problems or anything like that. So most of the puppy trainers are from that part of the city or the province. But she just recently, over the last year and a half, moved to Ottawa. Her husband got a job here, and they moved and they allowed her to continue her great work. Like, who's going to argue with her after 37 dogs, right? I mean, you know, there's no way they're going to take away her job as a trainer because she does such a great job. So, Missy, thank you very much.
Thank you. So I have to say all of that in French?
No.
Okay, I'm going to condense this. On a différents genres de chiens guides ici. On a des chiens guides pour les gens avec l'autisme. On a un chien guide ici pour ceux qui sont malentendants. Candy ici, puis Candy, c'est sa dernière semaine en travail. Samedi, elle va se retirer. Puis on a aussi Missy ici. Elle est très spéciale pour moi parce que c'est elle qui prend les petits chiens à 8 semaines. C'est elle qui donne la formation de base à nos chiens guides. Ça fait... C'est le 38e chien que Missy est en train de former pour la fondation. Donc merci beaucoup Missy pour le travail que tu fais.
1 year since she started.
Great. All right, so
Yeah, it's crazy.
we thanked everybody that we need. We want to thank you for coming out and making this walk a success that it is. Angèle is going to lead the walk, and just follow her, and you'll get around the route. And when you get back, we'll have some hot dogs and drink for you.
Leave it, Tyrone.
And
Leave it.
we'll give you some figures of how we did this weekend. So, without further ado, Angèle, you're on.
Bon, on va commencer la marche. On va commencer la marche. Moi, je vais commencer avec tout le monde. J'espère que vous allez tous me suivre. Puis bonne chance à me suivre. J'ai aucun sens de direction, moi. Ça va avoir du fun. Mais je vous remercie encore tous ceux qui ont participé à chaque année à cette marche ici. C'est très, très, très important pour que la Fondation puisse continuer à faire de beau travail. Merci.
All right, so Angèle's going to lead you. Just follow her and have a nice walk, and we'll
Grandma
we'll
and
see
I
you
will
later.
stay here.
What?
Grandma and I and Bernie will stay here. And I think that Daddy's going to walk Adele and you walk Tyrone. And Jay can walk with you. Do you want to walk, Jay, or do you want to relax with me and Grandma?
I can walk.
If you want to walk, yeah. Okay, Tommy, off you go, following Angel.
See you guys soon.
Okay, have a good walk.
Will you take good care of Adele or no?
Thanks.
We'll put them over here.
Yeah, I'm staying back. I'm not walking.
okay.
Yeah. Old age.
Mom?
Okay, you gonna go?
Will you and Grandma and Bernie take good care of Adele or
We
not?
will. No, Daddy's taking. See, Adele's gonna go with you. Peter, he seems confused about what Adele's gonna do. It's okay. Adele's gonna have a nice walk. You'll see.
Yeah. Thanks, Mom.
You take care of Tyrone. Daddy will watch Adele, and Grandma and I will take care of Bernie.
Bye, Mom.
Bye.
Bye, Grandma. Bye.
See you in a minute.
Bye.
Have a good walk.
All right, let's go walk, guys. There's one on the other side of the river.
So if anyone wants a bite to eat while they're out doing their walk, the barbecue is open.
Off they go. Tommy was confused about Adele going. Here they come. Hey, Bernie, they're coming back. They're almost back. There they are. Oh, Bernie was excited. He heard Peter's voice and went running to see. Oopsie. So, there you go. How'd it go?
Good.
Good. This is Tommy, and this is Peter's. Doesn't have anything on it yet. And Jay can go get himself something over there. It's just a donation thing.
Who's a free dairy free? What about you? Nope.
He's not. Yeah.
Eats whatever he wants.
Aw, it's nice. She's patable now.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Hey, Mr. Feltmate?
Mr. Tom, that's right. Yep. Tom Felton.
Yeah.
He's really a
Okay, I'm hungry.
Yeah. So that's for you. I put ketchup on yours, Tommy. We're doing our own gluten-free yours. Oh, there comes Missy.
Hey, Missy.
You made it. Woo.
Dry your hands.
Thanks, Grandma.
Sure.
So here you go, Tom. I made yours all ready for you.
Thanks, Mom.
It's got ketchup and avocado. Adele is really panting. She has been panting a lot lately, I would say.
They have water up there.
Really? Aw, that's so sweet. Tyrone, baloney, macaroni. I call him Tyrone, baloney, macaroni. He's a phony.
He said his vest looks so nice because it's so new.
Oh, it's so new and clean. What do you think of Tyrone, Jay?
I think he's awesome. He's like Adele, you know?
He is. He's calm and yeah, he's a little bigger than Adele, but male dogs are usually taller. Adele is only 60 pounds, so Tyrone is 15 pounds heavier.
Oh, wow. Do we eat cats?
We don't eat cats.
Not today.
I think Tommy thinks from cartoons that dogs might eat cats.
So if I can have everybody's attention, we'll give you a...
Tommy was asking if there's cats for
we did today.
for the dogs to eat.
Every penny counts, you know, and we're always pleased with everything we are able to raise. You walkers today, both here today and those online, we're pleased to say that you raised $5,335.10. But we got another $1,000 that were donated by Lions Clubs. And I mentioned earlier the 5 guys donated $300. It was actually $296. So we were close to the 3. So our total for today was $6,626. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We really, really appreciate it. We got some prizes to give away, so I'll turn that over to Tom and he'll take care of that.
Can I yell okay so you can hear me? Because I've got some prizes over here. For the number of treats in the bottle, we had somebody, the actual total number in that bottle was 256. And we had some pretty close guesses, but the one that won was Vanessa Levante. She guessed 252. You can see there, Vanessa, if you want, but we'll get a picture later on there. So we got 2 bags of treats for you. So. Okay, so we also have to announce the the walker raised the most amount of money, and the team raised the most amount of money. This year, once again, the most funds raised by a single walker was Peter Henry. And in cash donations, $1,280.
Laissez savoir, how much did we raise this year?
6,626 total.
6,626 $ en tout qu'on a ramassé aujourd'hui. Puis j'aimerais aussi partager avec vous, j'ai les chiffres pour les marches qu'on a ramassées les années précédentes. En 2011, on a ramassé au-dessus de 15 000 $. En 2012, au-dessus de 10 000 $. 2013, au-dessus de 12 000 $. 2014, au-dessus de 15 000 $. En 2015, notre plus gros montant, au-delà de 20 000 $. 2016, 17 000 $. 2017, 10 000 $. En 2017, on a atteint notre but de 101 684 $ et 99 cents. Merci beaucoup à tous.
Okay, and the next prize I want to award is for the team that raised the most amount of money. We have two teams that were registered. The hunting team was Team Vale, I'm sorry, yeah, and they raised $980. The team Tommy DeBrise raised $1,180.
Yay, Tommy!
Tommy here. Got a picture here? Yeah.
Let me get this picture.
I'm going to get one with the dog in there. Look here, Ty. Oh, nice picture. Okay, great.
Thanks, Tom. Congratulations.
Thank you, Tom.
What's that? Tyrone was just using Adele for a pillow.
Okay, we also had two draws. The first ticket draw was Brooke Poole. Is Brooke here?
I think I have a ticket.
And the second ticket draw was Angèle Charlebois.
Angèle.
We have two prizes. You can pick Brooke.
Congratulations.
That's all the presentation today. Oh, yay!
Yay. Do you want to see what's in there, Tom?
Yes.
There you go.
So just to recap what Angèle said a few minutes ago, out of all the walks since we started in 2011, we have raised over about $110,000 over those.
Wow! Holy cow!
Concludes everything. I want to thank everybody. Angèle again for stepping in and being my co-host today. The work that each of the Lions Clubs do to put this event on. Our friends from Morrisburg who put up the tents and that, and a couple of able bodies to help them take it down will help. We hope to see you all again next year. One last thing is that we do have a committee, but we always could use some new and fresh ideas. So if anybody wants to be part of our committee, please give me a call and I'll let you know when we're going to be meeting again and let you know when you can join us. Tom, have you got anything else that you've got to give out? Everybody got their bags?
Everybody has everything?
Everybody's got everything?
If anybody didn't get a
Thank
boodle
you very
bag,
much.
If anybody didn't get a boodle bag or some goodies, just yell. It's one over.
Thank you very much, and we hope to see you all again next year.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Cats.
Are you eating a cat? Tommy thinks
it's a dog.
Tommy thinks the lunch is cats because dogs eat cats. He thinks.
Is
that cats? No, he's not really eating cats, Tommy. We live a life of the crazy. Oh, there you are. Look at you. Oh my goodness, she's like the Sherpa of everything. Here, hold on. These are Tommy and I'll put on their hats on my head. Here, and I'll take this from you because you've got Bernie.